You see how you're swinging out? You wanna stop doing that, because if there was a parked car here, you'd be screwed. Bring your forks up. This one's gonna be really heavy. You gotta make sure. Whoa, easy, easy. Straighten your wheel. I told you, you only believe in left and right on that machine, man. You don't know how to go straight. You gotta go straight. There you go, right there. Swing it, swing it. Nope, the other way. There you go, right there. Yep. No, lift up your forks and then start straightening it out. You got it. All right, what are you forgetting to do? Yep. So I told you, you should extend before you get there. Come on, give it gas. What we got all day? If you're gonna give it gas, you gotta push the lever. There you go. You got it. Nice and easy. Turn to, yep, you're good. You got it. There we go. There we go. All right. Now, what do you think you got to do? Nope. You got to pick it up first. Pick it up. Tilt back. Tilt back. All right. You feel that? That's going to be way too heavy for you to lift as a rookie. So 5th lever all the way forward. Don't stop until it stops you. So what he's doing now is just bringing the stabilizers down. There you go. All right, side shift left. Yep. Get your foot off that pedal. That's why it's chirping. Okay. 2nd lever back. 1st lever forward. 3rd lever forward.
Oh, 3rd lever forward.
No, I said 1st and then I said 3rd. 3rd. 3rd, 3rd. There you go. See how you get a full bite now? Yep. Pick up, straight. There you go. Tilt back. Tilt back.
I don't trust that.
Why don't you trust it? All right. If you can see that this side is more down than that side, bring it down. Nope. Down, not tilt. Just straight down. Yep. Straight down, straight down. Go ahead. You got it. Side shift left. All the way. All the way. There you go. Pick up. Yep. All right. 3rd lever back, 2nd lever back. 2nd lever back all the way. 5th lever back. All right, I want you to back out straight. There you go. Now start turning it. Yep. There you go. You got it. All right, start bringing it down. As lowest to the wheels as you can get it. All right, let's go. Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Yep. Hold the wheel just like that. There you go. All right, now come straight. Dang, bugs are biting me. And make sure you're watching both sides. Now you want to swing wide. Don't cut it sharp. swing wide. Swing wide. Start turning it. A little at a time. You got it. You're doing good. Yep, coming straight. To the left. Huh? What? Do I want a stick? For what? Oh, no, he got the pallet. Oh. Yeah. Just keep an eye on the big rocks in the ground, because that'll make it shift. Just go slow. Yep. Now start swinging it in. There you go. You got it. Give it some gas. Give it gas. Start turning it. There you go. You got it. Nope. Nope. Yep. Bring it over here. That way, that way, that way. You don't want to block this in. Bring it that way. You got it.
Back up?
No, you got it. You're good. Just keep going. Yeah, keep going. Put it this way. You're gonna put it like this. Because it's gonna be too long, it'll block that in. Yep, you got it. Straighten the wheel. Start straightening the wheel. Yep, you got it. Coming straight, straight. Straighten the wheel. You got it. Yep. All right, stop. Set the parking brake. I'm gonna go change the battery.